Hello everyone. Welcome to Shaily's Education Center. Today in our psychology class, I am going to discuss an important topic of psychology, that is motivation. This topic will be helpful for all the BA, MA, NET, SET and JRF students. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel for more updates. Stay with me till the end of the class. Motivation is the process that initiates, guides, and maintains goal-oriented behaviors. It is what causes you to act, whether it is getting a glass of water to reduce thirst or reading a book to gain knowledge. Motivation involves the biological, emotional, social, and cognitive forces that activate behavior. It is an important concept in psychology as well as business, school, and other areas. Motivation means we know we need to do better. The important words are needs, values, and goals. These are the building blocks of motivation that lead to action. Needs are basic requirements for survival and may be physical or psychological. Motivation will help in self-development of individual. We should motivate people by some way, such as ask them, involve them, trust them, inspire them, appreciate them, reward them, challenge them, celebrate them, etc. So, let's start the class. The word motivation is derived from motive, which means an active form of a desire, craving, or need that must be satisfied. Motivation is the key to personal and organizational effectiveness. Motivation is the willingness to exert high levels of effort towards professional goals, conditioned by the effort's ability to satisfy some individual need. While general motivation is concerned with effort towards any goal, we will narrow the focus to professional or organizational goals in order to reflect our singular interest in work-related behavior. We will treat motivation as a need-satisfying process. Look at the figure. In the figure, the number 1 is behavior. Behavior is generally motivated by desire to achieve a goal or satisfaction of needs. People watch over from one activity to other activity, such as sociologists or psychiatrists must understand the motives of the pupil or patient under him in order to predict and control their behavior. The second point is motives in this figure. Motives refers to needs or drives or wants. Motive prompts people to action. Motives are largely subjective and represent the mental feelings of human beings. They cause behavior in many ways. Number 3 point in the diagram is goals, is the third point of the figure. Motives are directed towards achievement of goals. Goals are the aims. This provides satisfaction of human wants. Attaining a goal will tend to restore physiological and psychological balance. The above model presents that the individual process in varying host of needs, desires, and expectations. All of such needs compete for their behavior, and ultimately the need with the maximum strength at a particular moment leads to activity. When a need is satisfied, it is no longer a motivator of behavior. Motivation is a psychological feature that induces an organism to act towards a desired goal and elicits, controls, and sustains certain goal-directed behavior. It can be considered a driving force, a psychological one that compels or reinforces an action towards a desired goal, such as hunger is a motivation that elicits a desire to eat. Motivation is the purpose or psychological cause of an action. Motivation has been shown to have roots in physiological, behavioral, cognitive, and social areas. It may be rooted in a basic impulse to optimize well-being, minimize physical pain, and maximize pleasure. It can also originate from specific physical needs such as eating, sleeping, resting, or sex. Motivation is an inner drive to behave or act in a certain manner. Next to definition of motivation. Category A. According to George R. Terry, motivation is the desire within an individual that stimulates him or her to action. According to Robert Dubin, motivation is the complex of forces starting and keeping a person at work in an organization or institution. According to Vittles, motivation is an unsatisfied need which creates a state of tension or disequilibrium, causing the individual to move in a goal-directed pattern towards restoring a state of equilibrium by satisfying the need. Next, some observable points, that is category B. On the basis of above definitions, the following observations can be made regarding motivation. Number 1. Motivation is an inner psychological force which activates and compels the person to behave in a particular manner. Number 2. The motivation process is influenced by personality traits, learning abilities, perception, and competence of an individual. Number 3. A highly motivated person works more efficiently and sincerely. His level of works tends to be higher than others. Number 4. Motivation originates from the needs and wants of an individual. It is the tension of lacking something in his mind which forces him to work more efficiently. Number 5. Motivation is also a process of stimulating and channelizing the energy of an individual for achieving set goals. Number 6. Motivation also plays a crucial role in determining the level of performance. Highly motivated people get higher satisfaction, which may lead to higher efficiency. Number 7. Motivating force and its degree may differ from individual to individual depending on his personality, needs, competence, and other factors. Number 8. Motivation may be positive as well as negative. Positive motivation includes incentives, rewards, and other benefits. Negative motivation implies some punishment, fear, use of force, etc. The motivation procedure contributes to and boosts up the morale of the people. A high degree of motivation may lead to high morale. Next is feature of motivation, category C. Number 1. It is an internal feeling and forces a person to action. Number 2. It is a continuous activity. Number 3. It varies from person to person and from time to time. Number 4. It may be positive or negative. Next follows subjects that motivate an individual in life. That is category D. Number 1. Power, influence and fame. Number 2. Self-mastery and growth. Number 3. Recognition and approval. Number 4. Desire to win. Number 5. Rewards and money. And number 6. Passion. It's all here now, and I believe you have gone through it well. If you like the class, inbox me with your comment. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon for notification. Meet you all on next class. Till then, thank you.